Although I have to say, I feel like they're... I feel like this is the worst tripod angle. I feel like every Banana Peppers video starts out this way, where it's like 20 minutes of fiddling with the tripod. Only the best professional quality videos here, folks. When I say bananas, you say peppers. And you guys, I just filmed a TikTok with like maybe one of the craziest, silliest products that I've ever ordered from Amazon. You only have 60 seconds to express yourself on TikTok, and sometimes I just feel like these products are like so weird that they're worth a deeper look. So I thought we would do a deeper dive in a product that I just bought for TikTok. I love buying it. I've always loved this. I've always loved just buying like weird random products on Amazon and then like testing them out. I don't remember how I was shown this product, probably because I've ordered so many hand sanitizer related items off of Amazon in my life. So they probably were just like, how about this one? This product is actually called SaniBeads. You guys have to let me know if you've ever seen these things before. So basically you get a set of these 3 bracelets that are like this. And I said on TikTok, they remind me of those Lokai bracelets. Do you guys remember those? I feel like unfortunately they're not as trendy now as they used to be, but I actually really liked those, even though I saw what's inside cut one open and then I feel like it like just kind of ruined them for me forever. So basically, in case you don't know, the Lokai bracelets were these little rubber bracelets like this, and one of the beads was white and then the other bead on the other side was a black bead, and supposedly they got the water from like the highest place on earth, and the mud comes, and then like there was mud. So basically one bead was filled with water and one bead was filled with mud. I don't even know why I'm explaining this like as if everyone in the world hasn't seen a Lokai bracelet before. But anyway, the white bead was filled with water and the black bead was filled with mud, I think from like the Dead Sea. And so the concept was like you're supposed to keep yourself grounded between like the high points and the low points. Anyway, what's inside years ago like cut one open and it was like dry on both sides. Like I don't think they found any water or any mud. And so I'm just kind of like, whatever. It can like dry up or whatever, but I don't know. It just made it like more fascinating to me when I actually thought there was like mud inside of the bracelet. Anyway, even after I saw them cut it open and there was like nothing inside of theirs, that didn't stop me from buying like 5 more Lokai bracelets after that point, because it's like a whole like cool concept. Now this just sounds like a freaking ad for Lokai bracelets. Basically, these are kind of like the same style of bead bracelet, except for, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see, there's teeny tiny little holes inside of these bracelets, and you're supposed to fill the beads with hand sanitizer. Then you can wear this bracelet, and if you need to sanitize your hands, you're supposed to be able to just pop the bead like a pimple almost, and it supposedly like dispenses the perfect amount of hand sanitizer that you would need. And then you can just like carry your hand sanitizer with you like this. So it did not come with any sanitizer. It just came with the 3 bracelets and this kind of like container that you can supposedly fill the beads with, but I don't know, like the nozzle on this bottle that it comes with just looks so big. I haven't tried this one yet. Okay, so it does actually, you can fit the bottle in the bead. Instead of just filling it with clear hand sanitizer, I thought it would be fun if I got some of this stuff that I had no idea that these existed. They are Crayola hand sanitizers. Look at how cute these are. There's a red one in razzmatazz. They just look like little crayon bottles. Honestly, the red and the yellow could also pass for like ketchup and mustard. Oh my God, I just had an amazing idea. What if you took normal hand sanitizer and a mustard bottle and you just like made a bunch of yellow hand sanitizer by like adding food coloring to it, and then you could just walk around and like squirt mustard into your hand and everyone would totally think that you've just gone silly. Now I kind of want to do that. Anyway, crayon sanitizer. We've got them. Yellow is called Goldenrod, and then we have Forest Green, and then the last one is blue, and I think this one is called Bluebell. Yeah. And these sanitizers are honestly like really, I think they're kind of expensive. I don't remember if they were like $10 or $14, but kind of pricey for like how not much you get in here. But they do come with these cute little color coordinated wraps as well that turn them into keychains, so you can like hang them off of a backpack or your keys or whatever. So I honestly think it's a really cute concept, and I feel like you could just keep the Crayola bottle and refill it with clear sanitizer or some other brand or whatever if you just like this kind of like cute little bottle. I'm a sucker for stuff like this. It's not necessary, but I sure do enjoy it. I was so glad that the sanitizers are actually these different colors, because I thought it would be more fun if I filled the beads up with colorful sanitizer, just so it could look like, I don't know, like kind of a cool like tie-dye. I have the tie-dye Lokai bracelet, and that was like my favorite one. And so I think I was just kind of like trying to recreate something I already own. I got these like little turkey baster bottles because I thought that that would be the easiest way to fill these up, but it's honestly, I don't know if I'm like squirting air into it or whatever. Like it really doesn't. Okay, there we go. See, it kind of like starts to fill up halfway, and then it like kind of starts to gurgle out. Like, I don't know. Oh, like see that? Oh, you probably didn't see that. It was like focused on my face or nothing at all. I don't know, you guys. It is just kind of like a little bit. See, they keep doing that, and this is like not focusing at all. Let's see if it's any easier to fill like with their bottle. I did not know that it came with a bottle to fill the beads with, which that's kind of stupid because like how else would you get hand sanitizer in there? But I thought I would need something like really fine, like a turkey baster, to be able to put the sanitizer in the beads. But I don't know, the turkey baster idea so far is not like working out that great. I feel like I'm wasting a lot of product. Let's try and fill it up with their bottle. And yeah, see, that's like really, I feel like that's what's going on. Like I'm pushing air in there or something instead of product. Although I have to say, I feel like that was disastrous. Blue hand sanitizer all over everything, including the coffee that I was attempting to drink. I'm so glad that did not hit me in the eye. Oh my gosh. See, I feel like I just wasted so much product. Definitely, I think it's worse to use the bottle that they provide you with, oddly enough. Let's try and add some, you know what I'm gonna do? I was gonna try and do this on TikTok, but I ran out of time because I'm wondering if I can mix blue hand sanitizer and red hand sanitizer and then make like a purple looking bead. I'm definitely overthinking this whole hand sanitizer bracelet thing. I really don't think it's like that serious. Oh my gosh. See, it does that every time. You guys see there's a little bit of red and a little bit of blue. I'm really trying to get the camera to not focus on my face. Oh my gosh. Okay. Still looks blue. Oddly enough, it looks like it's blue and red, but not truly like purple. Let me see if I can shake it up. I don't know. What does that look like? See, I felt like maybe I was like just being too silly on TikTok and I wasn't giving it like a fair enough chance, but I don't know. Maybe it's just kind of silly and messy. And it honestly like takes just a longer time to like obviously fill a bracelet than it does to just like take a bottle of hand sanitizer. Oh my gosh, see, it bubbles up like that. Like every single time. I feel like I'm covered in so much hand sanitizer that like, you know, sometimes if you use too much, it like leaves your skin feeling really sticky. Or maybe that's just like this Crayola hand sanitizer formula. I feel like some sanitizer formulas unfortunately are like just kind of prone to be a little sticky. Oh my gosh, look, now the bottle is like oozing everywhere. You guys, I keep trying to like talk about the product and I feel like I'm just so distracted by the mess that I'm making. Like, look at that, all that effort so far, you guys, and I have approximately 4 beads filled with sanitizer. Although I have to say this one is starting to look more purple, so that is pretty impressive. What other color? Oh, I could try red and yellow. See if I can get orange sanitizer. There's yellow. That one actually, maybe I'm getting better at this. There's red. Oh, I wish I could capture that just once. I don't even know if you guys, oh, okay, now I'm just squirting it outside the thing. So it's not like I'm overfilling it, yet anytime I remove the little like turkey baster thing out of there, like the product starts to gurgle out of the little hole in the sanitizer bead. Okay, but I definitely did create like a purple one. So proud of my little purple bead. See, it did that time, and look, can you guys see? It's only like half filled. I don't know. I'm gonna try and just really quickly fill the rest of this bracelet because I feel like this video has to just be so crazy to just watch me repeatedly squirt hand sanitizer everywhere. I have one final strategy to like maybe fill these up a little bit better, which is to squeeze it at the beginning, then put the little turkey baster thing in there. So I think I'm like squeezing all the air out, hopefully, and then you can fill it up with the product a little bit easier. That's also kind of the other thing that I'm starting to realize about these maybe, is that when you squeeze it, like I think there's more plastic on the inside, like the plastic is thicker than I think that it is. And so I think maybe some of that inner like thickness is like causing me to overfill it. Like it still looks like it's half empty, if that makes any sense. I don't know. It did take quite a bit of time, but I finally have one entire bracelet full of the hand sanitizer. I feel like I need like to take a photo of this moment. I'm gonna put the filled one on next to the empty one. And I was kind of wondering if it would feel kind of like heavy once it's full of liquid, but it really doesn't. And just having these two on next to each other, the full one doesn't really feel any different than the empty one. So that's good, because I was kind of wondering if like once you had the whole thing full of sanitizer, if it would like hang weirdly on your arm. You know what I mean? Like, I mean, something full of liquid on your wrist, like, just didn't sound like the most practical thing to me. So the only thing I will say is as I'm moving, I'm feeling like just little bits of sanitizer leaking out of the bracelet. And I mean, obviously right now I am like shaking my arm around a lot, but I mean, how much would you be moving if you were like wearing this in public, or maybe if you were like giving it to a kid or something? Now I have like really small wrists, but I don't know. I feel like these could fit on adults or kids. I don't really know like who this product is designed for. I think it's like literally for everybody, you know. Oh, it does say best if used within 48 hours after filling. There is like literally no instructions that came in this box, so they didn't give like any filling tips of their own. So I've just been like figuring it really shouldn't be that hard, you know? So I'm gonna try it like this first. Like if I was wearing the bracelet and then I just wanted to like squirt some sanitizer. Okay, see, there was not that much in that one. Like, you're not gonna sanitize a lot with that. I must have not filled that one very well. Okay, let's try blue. Okay, see, that also just gave me like a tiny itty bitty little bit. Okay, there we go. I feel like green. Oh, look, now it's like smushed. There we go. So that green, I feel like I did have like a complete, like that is a satisfactory amount of hand sanitizer. Honestly, you guys, I love like the colorfulness of the crayon sanitizer and also like just how cute the packaging is. But honestly, like as far as real hand sanitizer, oh, what? Look at that. it like created this like sticky webbing almost. As far as like quality of hand sanitizer goes, I feel like there is like so many better quality hand sanitizers on the market. And I feel like now you can pretty much get any brand you want, like Bath and Body Works and stuff. So yeah, I don't know. The actual sanitizer itself like leaves your hands feeling like kind of sticky. It's kind of weird, but I mean, that's not like the bead's fault. So let's try another bead. I'm trying to find like the purple one, but we'll go with this one. This is blue. So let's see if I can get it. Yeah, look at that. That's actually pretty good. I mean, that's definitely, I feel like, plenty of sanitizer. And I honestly have to say, I like the feeling too of squeezing the beads. Like, it honestly feels like a, you know, kind of like a fidget thing. Like, I have never tried one of those like pop-it things yet. I feel like those are like 2021's fidget spinners, like as popular as fidget spinners were back in the day. I feel like the pop-it things, have you guys seen those? Those are like so popular right now. I feel like this is kind of the same concept. Like, it's fun and almost like a little bit stress relieving to like pop these little like pimple boba kind of things. And it is just nice, I think, that it like has some practicality to it. I could see where like a kid would have a lot of fun to just like fill the beads. I feel like it is kind of like almost like a slime fidget kind of thing. You see what I'm saying? Overall, I don't remember how much I paid for these because I did buy them on Amazon like a month ago. But yeah, I don't know. I feel like they're kind of silly. They're kind of messy. Maybe they're like kind of gimmicky. It's certainly not easier than just taking like a prepackaged bottle of hand sanitizer with you and then just like squirting some in your hand when and if you need it. But this is just kind of like a fun, innovative, different kind of product, and I can't believe I've spent so long talking about hand sanitizer beads. So yeah, I would love to know you guys's 2 cents about this. Like, is this something you would buy? Do you think you'd find it calming to like fill the beads? It almost reminds me of like the pick a rock kind of thing, where I can see where some people would really find this kind of thing soothing, and then some people would be like, wow, that's really annoying, and maybe like also a little bit wasteful of hand sanitizer until you like kind of figure out better methods of filling it. Here's my 2 cents. I thought it would be fun to test this out more extensively with you guys here today. Let me know all of your thoughts and opinions in the comments down below. As always, thank y'all so much for hanging out today with me and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Peppers squad today. And until I see you guys again, which is going to be very, very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon.